Using what we just learned about relationships, let's study the relationship between length, mass, and gravity with the period of a pendulum swinging in simple harmonic motion. To determine these relationships, we're going to be using an online simulation of a pendulum. It will allow you to play around with certain parameters and watch the changes happen to a pendulum in real time. But before you do that, we need to get acquainted with the program. When you first load in, you'll be given three options: Intro, Energy, and Lab. Be sure to select Lab, as this gives us access to the tools that we need. Once inside, you'll see a screen that looks like something on the slide. Since we're interested in the period, we'll click the period timer box in the bottom left. This just lets us measure the period of our swing. Now, in the top right, you can play around with different lengths and masses of the pendulum, as well as the strength of gravity. Feel free to play around with these all you want to help figure out how they affect the period of our pendulum. However, be sure not to touch the friction slider. We want to keep friction set at none, or else it might mess up our results. Once you're ready, you can click and drag the blue pendulum to either side and release it, and the pendulum will start to swing. Once it's swinging, play around with all your options and see how they affect period. Ask yourself, does increasing length increase or decrease period? How about decreasing length? What about mass? And so on. Remember that we're trying to determine if these relationships are directly or inversely proportional to period. So make sure to pay extra close attention because there will be a quiz on it afterwards. Other than that, have fun and click at the link on the bottom of the slide when you are ready.